Welcome to the unboxing of the Bosch NPD-9501-E hardened midspan outdoor 95-watt PoE power supply with lightning and surge suppression on board. This 95-watt PoE power supply is compatible with the Bosch Autodome 5000i series, Autodome 7000i outdoor models, and all MIC 7000i, 7100i, and 9000i models with or without an infrared illuminator. As we open the box, we find the weatherproof adapter for the power cable feeding the device. Next, we find the installation guide. This is the Bosch NPD-9501-E hardened midspan outdoor 95-watt PoE power supply. What we notice first is the weight of the device at nearly 5 pounds. At the top of the device is the braided ground cable. At the bottom of the device is where you will connect the device's power using the provided weatherproof attachment, Ethernet data in port, and Ethernet data and power out port to the camera. Please contact support at midchest.com for system design assistance.